coming up in today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Homebodylisha and I'm so elated to be talking to you guys today. As you guys may know, I was out on maternity leave. I've been out for 2 months. I've had a healthy baby boy. To God be the glory. I'm so excited. So today's task, we're going to tackle this fridge. Listen, I need to deep clean this fridge. As you guys can see, it is a mess, a hot mess to say the least. Going into the 3rd trimester and then having a baby, these last few weeks has been a blur, but I am so full of joy. And let's go ahead and hop into the video. Stay tuned.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings get, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman, coming alive. Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you, yeah.
As you guys can see, now listen, I am really going over this door like multiple times because it's hard for you to see it on the camera, but there is this type of like smoke, like a black type of smoke mist that's on this door that is hard for you guys to see, but that's why I'm continuously going over it. I'm trying to pick that up. I'm not sure if it's from the condiments just sitting in the door or from drinks or what. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's really getting on my nerves. So that's why I'm constantly going over this area. So back to the video.
Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. I'm gonna let it shine on you.
Now, most times when I'm just doing my weekly grocery shopping, I typically don't, like, I'll wipe the fridge out, but I typically don't deep clean it. But as I mentioned, guys, because I've recently just, I've been on maternity leave, I really haven't had a chance to really get my house back in order to my liking. So at this point, I took all the containers, all the trays, all the things out of the fridge just so I can thoroughly wash it, as you guys can see here, and then I'm gonna put those back into the fridge. This is part of the deep cleaning. When you deep cleaning things, you want to take it out piece by piece, get into all the nooks and crannies. Back to the video. almost at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching thus far. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So I wanted to leave you guys with a nice little nugget. When I first started doing my videos, honestly, I was just seeking to be more organized, more intentional, and really to make my house into a home, which is still my intent today. But even more intentional now when I make my videos, I'm thinking of who I can inspire. Because when I first make my videos and I looked around, I was like, wow, some of the content creators, they're in their dream homes, they're in dream kitchens. Really nice. And I don't have the most modern appliances. So I was a little, but God reminded me, He reassured me, just be grateful in this season. Because think about it, some people don't have a house. Some people don't have a kitchen. Think about the people who are still renting. Think about the people that are renting a room. So I just want to leave you guys with that nugget. I know you may be aspiring to be in a different place, but acknowledge and be grateful in this season. And most importantly, gratefulness will always lead you to more abundance. So I finally finished this. This is the finished look. Now it's super clean. I can go grocery shopping. I can add in all my new things for this week. And thank you guys. I really mean it. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.